Hello and welcome again to our multi-part series that will take you through the deeper dive knowledge of application visibility. In this video, we're going to continue our discussion about the configuration of agents in your environment and how to deploy and create new configurations. So in the TrueSight Operations Management console, we showed how you could deploy and configure agents throughout your infrastructure. Through the administration section, going to the application visibility agents, you can see which agents are deployed and then manage them through the agent policies. Well, in this video, we're going to construct our own policy. That aside, then we go back and make changes to it as needed. For this next part, I'm going to open a remote session on the application visibility server. What I'm going to do here is compare two existing files that exist in the configuration. If you go down to the AppVisibility directory, you'll find that the configuration file examples are stored in this directory. These are not the live examples, but we can look at them to see what configurations can be changed. What I'm going to do is compare two configurations for this example. I'm going to take the max configuration and I'm going to take the deep configuration and do a side-by-side comparison to see what's different between them. That way I can customize my own configuration. I'm using Notepad++, and it has a plugin. It's called Compare. There are many ways to compare these files. This is just one of them. What I'll do is go down and I'm going to look at to see what changes are in this file that are between the two. On the left-hand side I have the max, on the right-hand side I have the deep. The first thing I'll come across is the fact the max has everything turned on as interesting, so it's set to true, whereas it's set to false in the deep side. Well, my custom configuration, I want to make it a hybrid of both the max and the deep. What I'm going to do then is edit it and change that switch from false to true. So let's go see what the effect is by applying this to an existing agent. So I'll go to the policies, drop down my menu for my customized agent configuration, and deploy it to my Medrec server. Now if I go back and look at the agents, you'll see that it is deployed with my customized policy. To applications, I can drill down on my Medrec application and look at the results of the transaction tracing that's going on. And sure enough, I see that as the max does, it captures everything. So every transaction has a violation, which is an actual artificial violation. So this is a very good way for you to go about in a trial situation or a lab environment to see if you can explore deeper configurations with application visibility. But I do caution you, be very, very careful because this does put a load on the system because it has to do more transactions and it has to do deeper transactions. This gives you an idea how you can set the configurations through the policies of the agents to monitor deeper and different application visibility policies. In our next video, we'll explore how we can open the portal console and do our own customizations of agent monitoring.